differently now. We're gonna make you work a little bit, not just drive. We like to see these guys running when we give the start at the end of their tractor. Come here, guys. Come on, come on. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna do a special way to start this race. Actually, the tractors are there.
Il y en a un caché, le gars, il est là.
Oh! Aha! I saw you! And you think it's funny? You gotta laugh when we give the start, believe me. Okay. Now we're gonna do a countdown when we're ready for this final race. It's gonna be 8 laps. Actually, we need you. The first tractor, Brian, you're gonna be standing here. The second tractor, number 17, and actually won the qualifications. The third tractor, you think you're funny. Go there by board, please. Thank you. And here, of course, and Brad. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from 5 backwards to 0.